What's going on, guys? We're here at HypeTea. It's a beautiful day, Sunday. Half of the team's in Sacramento at Worldsworst, right? We got Irv, Izzy, Liz, Bandwagon right here, fucking garbage, and
Bang bang, bang bang,
Bang Bang,
bang bang.
Then we got Josue behind the camera. Say what's up, Josue.
What's up?
Also,
We hope the fam over there is doing really well. I heard it was hella windy, so hopefully they're doing well. I don't know.
That's why we're nice and warm over here.
I'm nice and cozy.
Now we got to watch the Niners dog everybody. I hope.
America's team is gonna win.
How's the boba today?
Oh yeah.
Boba's pretty good actually.
Oh yeah, tell them about our.
Oh, new drink, Year
go.
of the Rabbit.
Explain it.
Explain it.
Basically, it's just Hokkaido milk tea, but with the white rabbit candy. It's kind of like a white chocolate.
You can eat the wrapper apparently.
Yeah,
I got food poisoning.
it's like rice paper. Show them.
Give us a good example.
That shit looks so refreshing. Oh.
Eat the wrapper.
Oh my!
Oh.
You're gonna die.
You're gonna die, bro. You're gonna get food poisoning.
Rice paper.
Delicious.
Oh, you're gonna get your.
So we're setting up. It's a little windy. Shit's flying everywhere, but we're gonna make it work. You know what I mean? We're getting stuff set up. We're trying to put weight on everything. You see the boys out here pulling out some bins. We're getting everything ready, and we'll see what's up.
Meanwhile.
Bang bang niner gang. Bang bang niner gang. Against all odds, weather the storm. Built for combat and battle, young hyenas in uniform. We play no games with the opposition. We active, let the whistle be the bill. We gon' get out when we got mad at. Many a trap and many a fail. 49ers got the livest fans.
Damn.
I don't know what to say. I mean, happy Chinese New Year. With every purchase, it doesn't have to be like a big amount. It can be like a $10 tea. Everyone gets an envelope. There's one envelope that has a $100 credit, I think. So you can be the lucky one. I don't know. Test your luck. Come over to HypeTea. So, yeah.
What are you doing?
Posting some shoes.
What are you posting?
Nothing.
What's going on, guys? They're going crazy right now at the shop. We're here at Worldsworst right now in Sacramento. It is very windy. We keep seeing racks falling on the ground, unfortunately.
Our shoes flying everywhere.
Shoes are flying everywhere. Our little tags right here keep flying off, but
It's been crazy.
we're thriving. We're still going strong.
We're having fun.
Yeah.
So obviously, I started off with the little MCM. As you can see, everything's falling. I got the little MCM sign bag. I got a little hat. I got the Eurus Babe hoodie. And I just got some regular cargos and the Easy Slides. I was wearing mochas, but your boy just wanted to be comfortable, so Easy Slides all the way, boy.
Oh God. Let's see. Carlos, what are you wearing today?
Oh, what's up? My ear must be born again. Classic staple. I'm starting to get a bunch of stains on this. Kind of sucks, but I had a sandwich earlier and dropped a little mayonnaise.
Messy as you did.
Yeah. I got the double knees, making me feel very warm, very cozy. With the off-white, shout out to my man Curtis. Nice little Christmas gift from my boy, appreciate you. Of course, the staple out here, the HypeTea hat. Never go wrong with it. And we got the Versace shades. It always seems like I almost wear the same outfit every time I come here, but I mean, today it was necessary. Really, really cold out here.
He looks cozy though.
Very cozy. I'm warm. My ears are a little cold, but I just throw the hoodie on. I just feel like this hoodie though makes, I don't know, it's like too big. It makes me feel weird.
I think it looks good over the hat.
Yeah, that's another thing too. But yeah, as you guys can see, super crowded. Check out our booth. Let's see how the boys at HypeTea are doing.
Oh, it is back.
I don't know why we saw how this up here. Oh, Alex and I actually tried taking it off, but that's literally all we can do.
It's January like 20 something.
Yeah. I think
It's literally January.
I think we're getting ready for next Halloween. I don't know. I think we're getting ready.
Yeah, that sucks, huh?
No, beautiful painting. But
it looks alright.
We need to take it down.
Yeah, we gotta take it.
Yeah. So if you know anything or
Bang bang Niner gang. Bang bang Niner gang. Bang bang Niner gang.
put down in the comments what we should do.
Yeah. What should we paint on it next? Most liked comment might get on the window. I can't say will because it could be wild. Go ahead, man. You about to eat them up? You about to eat them up or what? Oh shit, go ahead then. Get ready then. Renate. Set. Hut.
More taste and only no more calories than Michelob.
Go ahead then. I like your form.
But there's no way.
I like your form.
It has to be like more practice.
Go ahead then. What are you looking at? What are you looking at? What are you looking for? The defender?
Yeah.
6 foot or what? What the fuck? This kid look like Chavo del Ocho. go back in your barrel, Chavo. This kid is something else, I tell you.
How do you feel about the wind?
The wind? I love the wind. Yeah. I'm one with the wind.
Oh, really? How do you feel about the wind?
It's definitely ruining the trip for sure. But I mean, I guess. Is that why they're canceling it? Yeah, because the wind has been crazy. Let me know if you have any questions on anything, bro. Alright. Yeah, you got canopies flying off. You got racks falling on the ground. Let's see if we can catch one in live in the flesh. That should be kind of crazy.
I feel like we could. It's happening pretty often.
Yeah. Luckily for us, you guys built a very strong structure.
I think so. Look at the setup.
Nothing's fell so far. That's great.
The vlogs.
There's a homie over there with some shoes, and he's got the table like layered, so everything just keeps falling from the top.
Oh, fuck no. We made it very aerodynamic.
Yeah, for sure. The key is to be low.
3 hours later.
How we feeling?
Pretty tired. We're gonna go get us something to get us on the road. We didn't just finish Worldsworst. They closed us down early today, 3 p.m. just because it was super windy. But we did go have ourselves a nice. They're right here, I think. We did go have ourselves some nice little dinner, I guess you can call it.
There's no yerba here.
Oh, I'm gonna cry.
How's dinner?
It was good. Yeah, it was pretty good. Honestly, hey, those nachos are fire. We're out here, we're getting some yerb. Man, needs these yerb.
He needs his fucking yerb.
Yo, Los, why you need your yerb?
I was driving back and I don't know, I'm just tired. I was up at like 4:30 this morning. Trying to get over here on time. Somehow we still shut up late.
Do they have the yerb?
Yeah.
Yeah, right here.
Yes. Check.
How do you think the day went? Let me get a recap.
Pretty good, you know. Successful. I mean, shit, no one died, so
it's
a
true.
very successful thing. Watch out.
feel like it was a pretty good selling day.
Yeah, that was pretty good. We did pretty well.
Wait, hit it one more time?
The shop did pretty well.
You don't really like energy drinks like that, but you need it. Sometimes we always do. Yerba Mate is...
That shit's fake. It's a gimmick.
Sponsor us.
It's delicious.
It's a gimmick.
Please sponsor.
Yerba sponsor HypeTea.
What's it called?
It's Yerba Mate.
No.
Yerba Mate.
When...
You just said it like 50 fucking times.
No, what's the thing when...
Sponsor. Collab.
Like, it's just, they think that it's happening because it says it is. But
Oh, like a placebo effect?
Yeah, it's a placebo.
Bro, I promise, it's all natural flavors.
Placebo.
Organic
That
caffeine.
shit doesn't give you caffeine. You just think it gives you caffeine because it says yerba.
I'll take it.
It's my take.
Twisted teas don't actually make you drunk, it's just a placebo.
Should I do facts? Should I do sparkling or should I do just a regular tea?
Personally, I like the regular tea, but I've never had the
Me
sparkling.
either. That's why I kind of want to try
What
it.
if it's trash then? You're not gonna...
It's still going to be energy drink. Alright, we're going to take the yerba. Anyways, need this. Pretty long day, but like I said, they ended us out of here early. We went to the mall, got a couple pairs of shoes. We went to go eat some quesadilla tacos. Yeah, it was fun. Now we got a nice little 2-hour trip back. Once we get there, we're gonna have to unload the van.
Oh, fuck.
Yeah, sounds like a blast.
These are the ones we usually get.
Y'all didn't
Bro, come on, stop acting like this isn't your first event. Then from there, we go home, we call it a night, and we do it all over again tomorrow. Well, we don't go anywhere, but we're back at the shop tomorrow. Appreciate everybody who came by. Shout out to the guys and the gals. Yeah, and it was beautiful. It was great. We had a blast. We'll probably be back next month. Shout out to Worldsworst. Carlos checking out. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you tell us what you liked about this video. Tell us what you want to see in the next video. Should we do more content while we're at the event? Sorry, it just gets a little hectic. It gets a little busy. Made a pretty good amount of money today. So, yeah. Let us know what you guys want to see, man. We're going to get out of here. All right, Carlos from Rayleigh's. We'll see you later.
Check it out, boys.
Sponsor us.
What's going on, guys? Carlos over here from HypeTea, and today's shoe of the week is the Jackie Robinson Dunk. These shoes were made specifically for the celebration of 75 years of Jackie Robinson breaking the color barrier in baseball. I believe the year was 1947 when it happened. So yeah, 75 years. I think last year was the time of it. Very cool shoe, a lot of details. You got cool words, quotes from Jackie Robinson in the actual shoe itself. You got the 75-year patch on the top there. I love the cream color on the shoe, which is really nice. His 42 on the back tab right there is beautiful as well. Super nice shoe. I like the shoelaces too. They got the baseball little stitching around them, which is really clean. And then they also come with a nice pair of blue little laces as well. I personally have me a pair of these. These are really beautiful. Honestly, for me, I wish they would have came out a little bit better with the box, done something special with the box or something like that. But I mean, you can't really be mad at it because the shoe itself, they put a lot of details in. Yeah, shout out to Jackie Robinson for breaking the color barrier. Today, as you guys know, we continue to keep doing crazy stuff like that as well, which is great. Outside of that, yeah, we continue to keep celebrating legends and continuing to keep hopefully producing some cool stuff that we could be rocking, we could be wearing. I wear these with pride. I hardly ever wear my pair. I wear my pair only in special occasions, just because, again, for me, it is a really nice shoe. I almost didn't wear them, just want to keep them in the collection. But yeah, man, shout out to Jackie Robinson. If you're a Dodgers fan, this is definitely the shoe you need to grab. Me personally, I am. Or like I said, just a fan of the game. Shout out to Jackie Robinson, 75 years breaking the color barrier. Peace out.
midnight.
Long fucking day. Anyways, we
Still
made it back.
Combination though?
Shut the fuck up.
Shit's deadly.
I'm busting your kneecap first.
I got him. Oh yeah, it's over. Tap, 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 boy.
I was dippy, but this is on a real fight, so I'm gonna let it go. I would have rolled his ass over, you would have seen that shit. I would have rolled your shit.
WWE.
Anyways, scrap this part, I'll say. We're back from this trip. Honestly, the pass, if you guys know, Donner Lake Pass, A little scary, slipping and sliding a little bit. Saw a car crashed. We didn't record it, but hopefully that person's safe and all right. Anyways, we're back, safe. Van's almost unloaded. Until next time, appreciate you again, Sacramento. The chips are amazing. See you next time. Carlos out.